Hey entrepreneurs, a huge happy new year to you. And in this video, I wanted to speak about mastering the art of marketing. And in particular, I wanted to speak about 4 essential skills that you need to master your marketing. So this video is important to you if you work in marketing as your 9 to 5 job, and maybe you work as part of the marketing team, or even if you are self-employed and run a business and you want to know how to drive new leads and new sales to your business using marketing, then this video is going to be teaching you the things that you absolutely have to know in order to master marketing. You don't need to be a professional or study in university to generate really good results DIYing your own marketing. So the very first skill that you have to master in order to master marketing is traffic. And when I say traffic, essentially what I mean is people to your offer or people to your website. Your offer might even be on Instagram. So I've got messages from a number of people who follow me who don't have websites, and people literally book them via their Instagram messages or DMs or whatever it might be. So you need to be able to drive potential clients to that Instagram or to your Facebook or to your TikTok. I recommend getting people to your website because you own that territory and you're not reliant on social media. But wherever you're getting clients from, wherever your main platform is, you need to have the ability to drive traffic to that platform. Now, you don't need to master every single avenue to drive traffic to your website. You can literally just focus on one. So there are loads of different platforms that you can utilize to drive traffic to your offer. You can use social media. You can use social media advertisements as well. So things like Facebook ads and things like Pinterest ads. But you can also do more kind of free traffic generation methods like search engine optimization. And I've got loads of videos that I used to put out on this channel on SEO, and I'll leave some of those in the description down below. But one of the main things about traffic that you really need to unlock in order for you to get results online or even better results online is quality traffic. So you don't just want to be driving anybody to your website or to your important web pages. What you want to do is drive the right people, because it can take a lot of time or a lot of money getting people there in the first place. So you want to make sure you are targeting the right people. Think about your product or your service. Who does it appeal to the most, and where do they spend their time on the internet? Buy advertisements or focus on free traffic methods that appeal to those places and drive people from those places to your important platforms. The second fundamental skill that I spend a lot of time working on as a marketing consultant and as a marketer in general is creating landing pages. So a landing page is simply a page someone will land on after they've clicked on a link. So let's say you're running Facebook ads, for example, for your business, and someone sees your ad and they think, okay, cool, I want to buy that product or I want to learn more. They click on it. Where do they land? That page is so important, and it can be the make or break of your business. Similarly with SEO, maybe you've optimized your website to show up in Google and people are seeing your website in Google and they're clicking the links in Google. What page are they showing up to? And even on social media, if you are using social media to gather new clients, what does your page look like, and is it going to convert? Do people know how to book you? So you want to make that landing page, wherever people land on to buy from you or to inquire about your services, you want to make it really user-friendly. It should load quickly. It should not have any complicated text on there. Like I see some people using some really odd fonts that is difficult to read. You want your website or your landing pages to be really approachable, and you want it to be really obvious the action that you want people to take. Like if you go to Amazon, for example, their buy now button is really big and it says, add to cart or buy now. And, platforms like eBay and some of the biggest e-commerce platforms in the world in our time have really, really clear call to actions with buttons that are, different colors and so on and so forth. So you want to make sure that whatever page people land on, that you want them to take action on, that it's very simple, very clear, and extremely user-friendly. So the third thing that you need to master in order to get a really firm grip on your marketing is your analytics. You don't want to stray away from analytics as a marketer. Become comfortable with being uncomfortable. So it can feel really overwhelming looking at traffic and conversions and impressions and all of these kinds of metrics that we get back as marketers. But you want to be able to analyze the content that you're putting out on social media, see how many impressions it got, see how many views it got, see what the watch time was, and the duration that people are spending watching your content, so you know where to make tweaks to make your marketing even better. I always say that marketing is like throwing a bunch of things against the wall and seeing what sticks. And your analytics helps you to identify what sticks so that you can make adjustments to your campaign, whether you're doing paid traffic or whether you're doing organic free traffic. And the fourth essential marketing tip that I recommend everybody who wants to master marketing to generate more sales, to generate more leads, or to utilize that in their everyday work practices. And that is lead generation and email marketing. You need to learn how to gather leads, how to get leads. One of the ways to do that is to create what's known as an opt-in page. And that is where you create a page, you hopefully give away something of value for free in return for a name and an email address. You can create these simple pages using, Aweber or MailChimp. You can also use a dedicated landing page software like Lead Pages or ClickFunnels. I'll leave some of those links in the description down below in case you want to check them out, and they have free trials as well for you to utilize. But essentially, you want to master the art of using whatever traffic method you are using, whether it be SEO or social media or paid ads. You want to be able to convert those followers or that traffic into names and email addresses that you can accumulate as a marketer. And you can use that email list and email them often with new offers, with what's going on in your business. And usually people on your email list are the people who buy from you the most. They are your best customers, and that's where you're going to make the majority of your sales from your customers. So even if you are doing business through social media and you're not really using a website, I highly recommend getting started with learning about email marketing. I do have a few courses on it in my members program as well. I'll leave links to my members program in the description down below. But I really do hope that this video was valuable and helpful. And I think this year I'm really going to focus on helping you to master marketing so you can DIY your own marketing. And if you learn the essentials, you don't have to spend a lot of money hiring a marketing professional or a lot of money on an agency if you don't want to. But I'm actually going to really do my best on this channel this year to help you to understand what the essentials are when it comes to marketing and how you can master them to achieve your business goals or your marketing goals in general. So if that sounds like something you want to be a part of, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already so you don't miss when those videos go live, and click the bell notification button so you always get notified when a new video is published on this channel. If you do have any video recommendations or any questions from this video, do let me know in the comment section down below. And if you haven't already, make sure you download the formula, guys. This is the free guide to generating leads and sales online. I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. And when you download that, you will also be part of my email list as well, so you don't miss, my marketing webinars, and whenever I have out a new course or whatever is going on, you won't miss it if you are subscribed. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.